Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everybody. I hope you are well in this beautiful day. First, I would like my gratitude for this opportunity participate in this international conference. And allow me to introduce myself. I am Wainori Dayat, a student of teacher professional education from Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University Indonesia. Today I will presenting the research finding title Increasing Motivation to Learn Social Science Material Characteristic of Living Creature through a project-based learning model in grade 3 of Muhammadiyah Pringgo Kusuman Yogyakarta Elementary School. First, in background, based on the result of observation and the interview conducted in grade 3 of SD Muhammadiyah Pringgo Kusuman Yogyakarta, information was obtained that we are learning in the classroom. Educator only use direct learning models and educator-centered learning models. As a result, the learning process is less interesting and does not vary. Learning emphasizes more on the teacher center, so the student only acts as listener without doing anything during the learning process, and students are not motivated to be actively involved during the learning process. Based on the result of interview with students, they prefer learning that involves student actively and interestedly. Based on the problems, it is necessary to have an interesting learning model in a learning so that the learning process can take place effectively and efficiently in order to increase students' motivation to learn. Based on the of description above, it is necessary to take action in increase motivation through project-based learning in grade 3 student of Muhammadiyah Pringgo Kusuman Yogyakarta. By implementing project-based learning, it is a hopes that student learning motivation in participating in the learning can increase and have an increased impact on learning outcomes, especially for material on the characteristic of living things. Okay, in method, first in participant and context, in third grade, total have 10 students consisting of 4 male and 6 female. Okay, in material, we use observation guideline and questionnaire, and in the questionnaire, we have 10 question. Student answer agree or not agree. In the data collection and analyze, we use a cycle by chemists consisted of planning, action, observation, and reflection. And analyze descriptively, which success motivation indicator is 65%. And the ethical consideration is aim to increase the learning motivation after cycle one action. Okay, in the result and discussion, we can see the figure or tables in the pre-cycle and cycle 1 and cycle 2. We can see in the pre-cycle we have a low motivation in 40% and 30% on enough and 30% in high. Next, after we use project-based learning in cycle 1, we have increase for enough in enough of 50%, in higher 30%, and in very high at 20%. Next, in cycle 2, we after using project-based learning and have result in high on 30% and very high in 70%. This is a table distribution of frequency and motivation for learning science. We can see in pre-cycle we have low or 30% enough in 3 and high in 4. And in cycle 1, in looking frequency, we have 5 in enough and high in 3 and very high in 2. In cycle 2, we have in high in 3 and very high on 7. Based on the table presented, data on significance increase in student learning motivation were obtained in the result of cycle 1 and cycle 2 after the implementation uh, of classroom action research using the project-based learning. More conclusion, the result of study shown that there is success in efforts to increase student motivation and learning outcomes. This success is shown from the average percentage of student learning motivated at the end of cycle 2, which is 30% with a high category or P and 70% with a very high category. Based on this conclusion, the researcher Researchers hope that the use of the project-based learning model can be applied to other materials and classes because it will make students have a more meaningful learning process where students are able to convey a concept or idea to their group friends to collaborate in making project. Okay, and that's my concludes presentation. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.